and we always want to encourage everyone to ascend to higher dimensions. We encourage that you have to practice praying. Yes, prayer is very effective, but more than that, you have to practice meditation. You know, in meditation, it opens your heart, your mind to limitless, to infinite reality and to infinite dimension. We are experiencing some changes on this planet. Climate change is always inevitable, and the effects are getting worse. But we also encourage everyone to plant trees everywhere on this planet, not only in this country, in the Philippines, but also in other countries, especially in Middle East and those mountains who were abused by some humans. We also want to encourage everyone to love everyone, every creature, every creation, every animal, every living thing on this planet, including plants and trees, insects, and all living things. And the most important is you have to love Mother Nature. Those who are taking care of Mother Nature, visible and invisible beings, you have to respect one another. Respect is always should be in the first priority of your life, because if there is respect, there is love, and if there is love, there is peace. We will never allow more violence.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Okay, so we have an Arcturian ship here, and they are here. Look at this ship. Naglilitaw yung mga ilaw niya. See that? Oh, wow. Kitang-kitang ilaw, wow. Laki pala, ganda aso. See that? Naka-cloak lang talaga. Ayan o. Kita niya yung mga ilaw na yan. It is a spaceship. Naka-cloak sa cloud. Ayan, there. Napaka-detail o. So, paikot siya. Here. See that? So, it's a ship. I think may message niya sila. Ganda ng ship niya. Hindi lang visible sa taas, pero there you are. See that? Yan. Ayan o. Hindi stars yan, mga lights niya. In fact, bago ko nakita to, may contact sa akin mga Victoria. Now I think they have a message. Okay. Now let's try to communicate with them. You know, there's another one here. You know, that's another one. Here we go. Saucer shape show. Pero ang mga stars so star yan, pero difference. Wow, nakatawa. Someone. Ship. Another one here. It's a bigger one. Wala na iba. Hello guys.
salamat sa inyo.
Okay, mga kamisteryo, magandang gabi sa inyo and welcome again sa ating channel, Ray Tisipan Adventures. Ganda ng t-shirt ko, diba? Here we go, yan. You are not alone. Yes, we are not alone. And I'm not alone right now. In fact, may nakita tayong mga cloak spaceship sa taas ngayong Easter Sunday. And bago tayo makarating to sa area ng Mandaluyong, may telepathic message from Arcturians, and I asked them kung meron silang message sa Easter Sunday. Of course, sometimes you have to ask them if they have their message. Let's try kung anong mensahe nila sa tao, to every one of us, sa ating lahat. Alright? Mahalaga naman yan, no? To inspire us, to remind us dapat natin gawin, especially katatapos ng Holy Week. Di naman nahulugan na kapag Holy Week limited lang sa mga Kristiyano, limited lang sa mga niniwala kay Master JC. But in fact, sabi nga, may paniniwala si Master JC, hindi naman talaga human being, of course, based sa biblical scriptures, he's the Son of God. Pero sa ibang angle naman, he's also half human and half divine. And paano ba yun? Half? Pwede ba yun? Half extraterrestrial being. And sinasabi na he's an Arcturian. Ayun na. Yan ang sabi. Pero we cannot confirm that. Ayaw ko naman tanongin si Master JC kung totoo yun o hindi. I just want to leave at that. Bahala na kayo mag-isip. Bahala na kayo mag-search. Alright. Now, tonight, because it's Easter Sunday, it's 10:02. Oh, 10:22. Wow, 10:22. Wow. Now, here we go. If they have a message, then let's listen to the message. Huwag nyo nang isipin na yun ang voice ko. But because when I channel, I'm trying to channel their voice. Actually, wala naman talaga silang speaking voice. So, depende na yung kung paano yung adjustment sa voice ko. Alright? Now, let's proceed. Okay? Ituto ko, wag sa mukha ko, yan. Alright. Magandang gabi po, dear Arcturians. I know you're there because I saw your ship, mothership, and another ship. So there are two ships because kayo ngayon nagbigay sa akin ng telepathic message that maybe you can give message to humanity. Yes, Ray, we are here. How are you? And we would like to greet everyone Easter Sunday. Whether you're a Christian or not, we always greet you with that because today is a very holy day to everyone else on this planet, regardless of what religion, what belief system you practice. Now we would like to share our piece of wisdom to everyone. You know, your planet is evolving to higher dimensions, and we always want to encourage everyone to ascend to higher dimensions. We encourage that you have to practice praying. Yes, prayer is very effective, but more than that, you have to practice meditation. You know, in meditation, it opens your heart, your mind to limitless to infinite reality. And to infinite dimension. We are experiencing some changes on this planet. Climate change is always inevitable, and the effects are getting worse. But we also encourage everyone to plant trees everywhere on this planet, not only in this country, in the Philippines, but also in other countries, especially in Middle East and those mountains who were abused by some humans. We also want to encourage everyone to love everyone, every creature, every creation, every animal, every living thing on this planet, including plants and trees, insects, and all living things. And the most important is you have to love Mother Nature. Those who are taking care of Mother Nature, visible and invisible beings, you have to respect one another. Respect is always should be in the first priority of your life. Because if there is respect, there is love. And if there is love, there is peace. We will never allow more violence, but now, of course, everything will be in order, and whatever happens in other countries will be resolved soon. I would also want to tell everyone that the galactic beings, the Galactic Federation is doing its job. It's doing its role to everyone. And we always want to guide you. We always want to give you wisdom. We always assist you in your DNA upgrade. Don't worry about that. You will be dreaming, and you will see us in your dreams, in your astral travel. And don't worry, you are all protected. Now, we would also want to suggest that you have to be more careful with your words and don't sow fear to one another. Instead, you have to sow love and care and spread light to everyone. Don't encourage darkness to pollute your mind, to your heart, because darkness is always there. Alright, thank you so much for this opportunity, and always you have to pray to those who are roaming around, spirits, souls, lost souls around. If they need help, then you must help them cross to the other side. And crossing over is also a process of ascension for their soul evolution. Thank you, Ray, for this opportunity. Salamat, and we're always here, and we will always give you all the knowledge and wisdom you need to guide human beings. People of Earth, peace to everyone. Okay.
Salamat po. Hindi ko na tinanong pangalan, but I know he's an Arcturian ambassador. The most important is the message. If you think the message gives you an inspiration, inspired you, you have to do it. You have to proceed with that. Salamat, and please like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel, Greatest One Adventures, for everything. Marami tayong mga pinopost dyan, not only about spirituality, not only about mistero. Also, when I travel anywhere, I nagpo-post mag-post tayo dyan. Alright? And also, follow also my Facebook page, Ray T. Siban Adventures. Meron din tayong another Facebook page, is Gabi na Misteryo. And, of course, meron din YouTube channel na Misteryo, pero hindi ako masyado active doon. So, yun. So, you have to follow, subscribe, and push the notification bell for updates sa videos natin sa Ray T. Siban Adventures sa YouTube channel. Salamat po, and peace, everyone. See you.